Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use a very basic and cheap water irrigation system to water multiple plants in your pot so that you don't have to water every individual pots separately. And you can start with a very low budget for less than $15 and you can work your way up. So let's go ahead and see what are the basic things you need to start with. You can get the required material at your local hardware store, Home Depot, Amazon or any other place. So let's first start with Home Depot. In Home Depot, if you search for big water irrigation system, and the very basic model is only about $11 to $12. This is a beginner pack which has pretty much got everything that you need to start watering. And there are already many videos out there, but I'm going to show you some tips which will be helpful for your installation. And let's also check in the Amazon. So as you can see in Amazon also there are many very cost-effective, budget-friendly options. They all are pretty much the same thing. They all have some basic components and some additional things that you can individually buy. So most of the product comes with a few basic things like pressure reducer and the black flow preventer so that the dirty water cannot get back to your water line system. And then comes a nozzle where you connect the main small pipe that gets divided into different branches. There are already many diagrams everywhere that will exactly tell you how creative you can be with your design and with your split process, and based on your shape of the garden you can arrange the pipes accordingly. But one important tips I want to give it here is it can be difficult to put the T and L connector inside the hole of the pipe because it's very tight. So I would recommend holding it few inches above a candle to make it a little soft, and then put gentle pressure to put the connector in and remove it. And once it gets cold, you will see that it gets tight and the connector will firmly stay with the pipe. First arrange your pots and then cut the pipes in right places and put the connectors in. You can use any kind of sprinkler based on the area you want to cover. And then you can start pouring water to all of your pots at the same time.